So this is the first time that I'm ordering from Gymshark and I've got my package right here. So what I really ordered today is one bottle and three t-shirts. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this right now and let's see whether I like Gymshark or not. This is the bottle. So I'm just going to take out all of these things and place them before I pull them out of the packaging. And these are the three t-shirts that I ordered from Gymshark. Let's first start off with the bottle. So right off the bat, I'm gonna say I love their packaging, to be honest. The plastic cover is really good quality and that is something that I really appreciate. So first impressions, I really like the color of the bottle, the way the plastic is. It has this little bit of a dark theme thing going on. It is quite sturdy, so I really like that. It has an opening and connected, and I can hold this very well. So I like this bottle in a way. This is a 1.3 liter bottle from Gymshark, and I got it on a Black Friday discount. All of these items, and especially the bottle, was for $9.60. So now I'm gonna start unpacking the t-shirts one by one and give you a review of the first impressions of how I really feel about their clothing. Even with the shirts, packaging, I really like how they are packaged. So I'm gonna take all of the shirts out from the packaging and then I'm gonna show them to you one by one with my review on it. So I ordered three different colors, and the very first color is this charcoal gray t-shirt. First impressions, I really love the color. It's an amazing color. It'll go very well with my black and green joggers that I usually wear to the gym, and also with my shorts. Just by holding this shirt in my hand, you can feel the fabric is really nice on this one. I really like how it is. It is a bit stretchy, so that is something that I really like in my athletic clothing or any kind of clothing that I wear to the gym. All in all, I would say in terms of color and how the fabric is and how soft it is, I really like this shirt. So let's move on to the other two shirts that I ordered. The second one is a simple white colored t-shirt. In terms of the fabric on this one, I would say I really prefer the fabric on the gray one because it's a lot more athletic, and this one's stretchy as well, but I like the stretchiness, and somehow I feel the fit on the charcoal gray one would be a lot better as compared to this white one. But it's still not bad. It's good. It's a good wear to the gym. I can definitely say that for sure. The third one, this is a very unique color, and this is more of like a brownish or a reddish brown. And what I really like about this color is this will go very well on black joggers or shorts. It's also look good on navy and charcoal gray especially. So if you own either of these shorts, like this color is pretty amazing, and it's also unique in the gym because you won't see a lot of people wear this type of a color in there. In terms of the fabric, it's similar to the white one that I just showed you. And in terms of stretchiness, it is quite stretchy. So I like those two aspects of this. So from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try all of these clothing off, and then I'm gonna give you a review as to how they fit and how they actually feel on your skin. Whoa, I look like a box. Oh my god, I didn't expect this from Gymshark at all. So what I really don't like about this is that the sleeves are too long. They're way too long. It should be cut off like here. But sometimes that's okay. You can even fold them if they're longer. But again, if you look at some of the other things around, it is too long. It's too long. And this is the exact size that I always go for on all kinds of clothing. And also in terms of the fit on the other side, I like something which is more snug, somewhat like this. But this one is a little bit baggy and boxy. So I really don't like how it fit, even though I like the color. In terms of how it feels on the skin, I would say the fabric is really soft. So if this clothing fits you, it is good to wear to the gym. It is stretchy. I can feel the stretchiness part of it. So let's try the second one now. Okay, the white one has a similar issue like the red one that I just spoke about. It is a similar fabric, same category. Again, the sleeves are too long for my liking. So the sides are too baggy and it is way too long for my height. So again, this is another one, the second t-shirt from Gymshark that I absolutely did not like. So my most favorite color out of the three is this one, which is a charcoal gray. This shirt is a different fit and material as compared to the white and the brown ones that I just showed you. This is a lot more athletic type of a fit, like a running shirt. What I really like about this is this one has a lot of slim fit features as compared to the other ones. I looked this up on the Gymshark website, and apparently they have a regular fit and they have a slim fit. So apparently if you ever want to go for a Gymshark, go for a slim fit. And this is the difference between a slim fit as compared to the regular ones, is that the sleeves are shorter. So they are very much to my liking. I don't need to fold them or do anything. Even the fit on the sides is exactly how I like it. The only problem with this one again is that even with a small size, it is longer. So one thing to note with Gymshark is that don't go by your chest size that they have on their website. Even if you have a chest of say like an inch more or inch or two more as compared to the measurements that they have on their website, always size down because the clothing is a lot longer. So if you don't want to get into the hassle of returning the clothing again and again, that is what I believe you should be doing. So although I had really high expectations from Gymshark, I really expected them to get their fit right in terms of the sizes. Unfortunately, that's not the case, so I'm going to be returning all of these items back except the bottle, which I really liked. If you found this video useful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel for more content on men's fashion, grooming, and health and fitness. Until then, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.